What's this? What infernal machines are these? What infernal deliberations are afoot? If this be a vision, what is it a vision of? Well, there are giants here. Yes, there were giants. Those who came before us, and now we scuttle past their works and wonder. But what's that? The light here, harsh and cold, I have been plunged hard into a world I know not. Bereft and empty, broken, dislocated. If time be out of joint, it is in this place a most uncanny, nightmarish thing. What if it's true and I am mad? Or perhaps drugged and enchanted in this a magic prison house? I've heard of such places and such states. A rift in time where lost men dwell until they find their truth. And truth to tell, that has been my state as I stalked the lonesome halls. Hello? Who's there? Show yourself, fiend. Stay.
Yes, sir.
Who are you? What is this place?
This place? Why, I believe it's a theatre of sorts.
Theatre? A playhouse, you mean?
In a manner of speaking, yeah. Though what that thing
And
is,
who
I
are
have
you?
Well, I'm the manager.
Is this your theatre?
No. Yes. Yes, this is my theatre.
So you have players here?
Yes, somewhere around here.
Could I employ them?
Certainly, but first, would you mind telling me just who you are?
I am Hamlet, Prince of Denmark.
I see.
So bow.
What?
Bow, villain, I am a prince.
I know that, but this isn't Denmark.
Not Denmark.
No.
Where am I? How came I here?
On your horse?
If it was a horse, I remember it not.
Perhaps on the bus.
Bus. But what is a bus?
No need to get upset. So, you're Hamlet, Prince of Denmark, and your uncle Claudius has murdered your father?
You know these things? What are you, a seer?
Oh yeah, I have seen many things.
What?
Hang around a theatre long enough and you'll see stuff that'll curl your hair.
Show me.
Why don't you go in that direction?
This direction.
Yeah, just follow your nose.
I'm very pleased to meet you.
You too, Mr. Hamlet.
Prince.
Sorry? Prince?
I was born a prince.
Good to hear.
And will die a prince or live a king.
Let's just get through the first act and see what happens.
This way.